So let me share my screen. So let me know if you are unable to watch my screen. Okay. So we are working on record types and page layouts here. Okay. So if you want to know the technical, the preparation of package on report types and record types and page layout means, I said you the shortcut way. Go and use your workbench. I believe everyone been use this workbench. Choose your production. Click on this. Click on login with Salesforce. So it will take the session ID of your Salesforce, and you will be here. So click on info. Click on metadata type component. Scroll down. Okay. So layouts, right? So there is an option here. Layout. You choose the layout. Click on this. So what are the layouts you created yesterday? So you created on leads, right? Scroll down. Where is the leads? Here are the leads. See, this is the inbound lead which you created. Open it. So this is the metadata API name, and this is the complete member name actually. So how you can prepare? So come here. Similarly, we can copy like this. So we can copy like this. This is the metadata API name. Copy here. Paste it. And copy this full name. So you can provide like this. Outbound lead you created. Copy it. Provide it here. And retail lead also you created, right? So this is the way. Do the smartest work. No need to be memorized. You should know the process actually, how to deal. Because you cannot memorize these names, right? Okay. And you should know, like, if there is a space, how to deal and everything. So this is the way how you declare in the metadata. This session is getting recorded. Yeah, it is recording only. Okay. So this is the way how you use a layout. Okay. Metadata and tape 9 and members. Okay. These are the three layouts where we used. Similarly, we've been used the record types as well. So come here. Now you go for a record type. See, this is a record type. Choose your record type. Click on the components. See, click on the leads. So these are the three record types. So the metadata API name is a record type. Now what you do, you come here, copy the same stuff, paste it, change the metadata API name as a record type, and how this name is look like, copy the full name, lead dot outbound lead. For inbound full name, this is the way how you prepare a XML when you develop your components. Okay, so when you develop your components, if you want to do migration or if you want to extraction from your project, okay, you have to prepare this XML. And preparation of XML, no need to memorize everything. Do the smart work, take the help from the workbench and look into the metadata API things and copy the name and prepare your XML file. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the business, today business actually. Coming to our business. So generally, We have two types of customers in our project. As we discussed earlier, there are some individual customers are there, and business customers will be there. Okay, individual customers and business customers are there, right? Like we are dealing with B2B and B2C as well. Okay, as we can enable the personal accounts inside a Salesforce, but we need to request the Salesforce people. Once they enable, then only we'll get into the picture. So instead of that, we can create our own B2B and B2C directly onto your project. Okay, very simple. See, going back, going back, if you remember, this is a sales rep. This is a sales rep or agent or whoever it may be. Okay, is an end user person. What he will do? Okay, he will manage the customers. He will manage the customers. Who are our customers? Who are our customers? Our customers might be a dealers or a individual customers, or we can also call it as a prospects. Okay, dealers or individual customers or prospects. So these kind of customers are there actually. Okay, because we do B2B business, B2C business. B2B means B2 business to business. So dealers comes under as a business to business. Okay, so B2C means individual customers. Like let's say for example, I want to buy an water heater from the Crompton. Okay, so I'm an individual person, so I can consider it as an individual customer. Now I want to buy water heaters for my company. Okay, so that also comes under as a individual. Now I am a dealer, so I want to buy a water heaters with a huge amount of quantity, so that I can sell those water heaters to the other customers. So that means I'm bringing customers to you in a bulky mode. So that comes under as a business to business. So in this case, okay, you want to be create two types of customers. Okay, one is dealers. Okay, individual or prospects. Okay, so we have two types of customers here, dealers and individuals or prospects. These two are belongs to the customers actually. They're customers data only. Customers are nothing but inside a Salesforce we can consider it as an accounts. These are nothing but an accounts. Okay, so I don't want to go and create two custom objects or two objects for it. Okay, so that in this case, both of the customers, why don't we go and create record types and page layouts? So we can create those kind of stuff inside a account object. Yesterday, you worked on the lead object. Because lead object has been participated in the life cycle. The status has been participated in the life cycle. Okay, so that's the reason we created a lead process yesterday initially. But this account is not participated. It do not have any status, right? It don't have any status. So it don't require any lead process or a support process or a sales process. Okay, simply you can straightforwardly create a record types and page layouts. So for these two record types, we needed two page layouts and we are going to be associated to our account. Let me try. Come here. Yesterday, I showed you how to create inside a classic. Today, I will do it into the lightning experience. Click on this lightning experience. One second, guys. Yeah, sorry. Where we are? Yeah. So just come to the part of lightning experience. Yesterday I showed you how to create a record types and page layouts with the help of Classic. Today we are working on lightning experience. Sorry, guys. Okay, click on Objective Manager. You have to decide which object. So as per the business, we are going with the customers, right? Just click on the account. Just click on the account. There are page layouts and there are record types. Okay, just click on the page layouts. There are existing page layouts are there. If you want to use, you can use it, or else you can rename it. Okay, so let me create a new page layout. So I will clone the existing one. Okay, and giving it as a dealers layout, and I'll go this one as a feed based layout. You're already aware about feed based layouts. See, creation of record types and page layouts are very simple. Okay, so what are the sections you want to be created, what are the fields you want to be exposed, just drag and drop. That's it, not more than of it. Okay, and just simply saving it. So I created a layout. Now layout is ready. Okay, so this is the new layout which I created. Now I want to rename this one. Can I rename it? Come here, click on the layouts. You can change it to the individual prospects. Okay. Now two layouts are ready. One is I created, and the another one is this is a standard layout given by the Salesforce. I just renamed it for my business purpose. So I just renamed it for my business purpose. I just renamed it for my business purpose. Now two layouts are there for us. Okay. Now scroll down. Click on the record types. Click on new. See, yesterday when you're working on the lead, when you're trying to create a record type on the lead, it asks you one option actually. Okay. It asks you one option, that is a lead process. Okay. But when you're working on the account, it is not required. It is not showing that option. So it is not required for this. Okay. Let's go and create this one. So this is for dealers. Make this as an active. I don't want to be exposed to all the profiles. Let me expose only for a sales admin and system administrator. Click on next. Now choose your layout. My layout is this is for what? Dealers. Choose as a dealers. Save. So these are the available pick list values respective to the account object. Okay, we will look into this one. Wait for the time being. Okay, wait for the time being. Now one of the record type has been ready. Now let's create another record type. Click on new. Individual or prospects. Make this also an active and let me visible only for system admins and sales admin. So no other users can use that one. So what is the layout I have to be choose? Individuals. Choose your individual. Click on save. So two record types and two page layouts are ready. Okay. Just give me a second here. Just give me a second. Yeah, sorry. See, we have been created two page layouts and two record types. Okay. So now let me check. Let me see. We have been created a metadata now. Okay. So let me do the unit testing. So to do the unit testing, you have to go to the account tab. So just click on account tab. Come here and type like an account. Here you can see the account tab. Okay. Just click on new. See, now it is asking two record types. Earlier it won't ask. You click on dealers. Now you can create a record for a dealers. Okay, that is the beauty. So this is the what you have to do the unit testing. So according to our business, okay, you have to change these names to the dealer or a prospects. So I will convert this to an customers. Okay, I'll change this name to a customers, not the account. So how you can change it? Come here, click on setup. Type like rename. Here you can see under the user interface, you can see rename tabs and labels. Click on this option. Come here, click on this. Now you change this option, change this account name to your customer. Customers and click on save. Okay. So it saved successfully. Account has been renamed to a customers. Now refresh the screen. See, you can see it as a customer from today onwards. Okay. Let's navigate to the classic. How it look like. So on the classic, see here you can see the customers. So when you click on customers, you will be navigated to an account only. When you click on new, you can decide whether to go with the individuals or dealers. See, let's say for example, if I choose a dealers and click on continue, see, there is a customer priority is there. Okay. Customer priority is high, low and medium. Okay. So if the customer is a dealer, my priority always must be a high. Understand my requirement. Okay. Now, if you consider, see, if this is a dealer, you want to know, like you already assigned a page layout to a record type. You already did an assignment, a page layout to a record type. So you need a new field will be coming into the picture. This is a shortcut where you can open your layout directly. A new field will be coming into the picture that is called as account record type. Save it. So you will get a clarity whether you are in a dealer or an individual. So now you are in a dealer. So if you are in a dealer, okay, it should only the high, no low, no medium. Okay, because we deal dealers with a high priority. Okay, so another option should not be visible. Okay, to deal that one, how you can do? If you come here, put this one aside, duplicate this one, click on this tab, click on new, and choose individuals now. So now this is an individual. If you want to get a clarity, again click on edit layout. This is another layout. Okay, you can drag and drop this field here. You will get a clarity where you are. See, now you are an individuals. Okay, for these individuals, we should be provide these three options, but for a dealers, we should provide only one option. That two option it has to be selected as a high, having the same fields, but I want to show the variation on those two fields. So to show that, okay, now you have to adjust your record types. Click on setup, click on setup, go to this customize accounts, record types, you choose dealers. What is it here? We are talking about customer priority. Click on customer priority. Okay, remove low and medium and default as a high. Save it. You need not to change it for you need not to be change it for a record type of individuals, because we need to provide everything. So we need to provide everything on this customer priority. So I'm not changing any option here. Now you come here. Earlier it shows these three options, right? Refresh the screen. See, now it's showing only one option. That too high is already selected. Okay. And for individuals, earlier it's showing three values. You refresh the screen. Now also showing three values. That is the variation. Okay. That is a variation you can see. Okay, give me 2 more minutes. I'm getting a call. Okay, I have to be attended. Just give me 2 minutes. Yeah, sorry. See, even I can adjust my record types related pick list values as well. I can adjust my record types related pick list values as well like this. See, this is here I'm showing the high for a dealers, and here I'm showing only three options for a customer priority for a individuals. And even I renamed my tab name as well. Yesterday, when I worked on the leads, okay, when I'm trying to create a record type, okay, it asks us lead process. It asks the lead process. If you observe here, when you click on this customize, when you click on lead, above record types, there is a lead process. Okay. So when you're working on accounts, above record type, there is no any process, right? So there is no status for an account. Okay, accounts will have different types, but there is no status for an account. Now, so I'm not sure whether you are looking into the sheet. I'm not sure.
How about API name, Anna? You changed the standard field name, right?
Yeah, API name will be an account only.
Then how to get?
See, if you observe this, I'll show you. Here you can see customize, tabs, renames. You just changed the display label only, not the API name. API name is account, okay, but display name is customers, okay. Yeah, you never changed the API. We cannot have a permission to change the API names. So these are the objects where we created. These are the leads we created. Okay, up to lead I have been updated. Okay, so today I will update about other options also for record types on accounts and opportunities. Some of the user stories I'm going to be updated here in the today's night. Okay, up to here, like up to yesterday session I have been updated the user stories. Okay, please go through all these user stories and try to make it. Till yesterday class we have user stories here. Okay, now coming back, we have opportunity, right? What we do in the opportunity, okay, we will store the orders information inside an opportunity. Okay, we store the orders information. Let us say, for example, so based on probability, let's say we have this is an order in our project. Orders are nothing but opportunity. Okay, we have different types of opportunities are there. The first one is open orders, and the second one is sales orders, and third one is close orders. So three types of opportunities will be there: open orders, close orders, and sales orders. So how can I decide whether it's an open order? Means based on probability. Probabilities are one of the field on opportunity. If it is less than of 25%, if it is less than of 25%, I can say it as a open orders. Okay. Closing order means either it could be a 0 or 100% probability. I can say it as a closing orders. And the middle, like, 25 above and 100 below. Okay, some X value. Whatever it may be, you can consider it as a sales order. Okay, what exactly the probability means? How much percent of business you have been deal with a customer, it always tells about the probability. Yes, I have done 25% business with the customer, so that means I can expect 25% of revenue from the customer. Yes, I have done 75% of business, so I can expect 75% revenue. So like that. Give me one more minute here. Actually, there is deployment is going on in my project actually. Okay, so people are pinging me. So just give me a second, guys. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, where we are? Yeah. So that three types of orders will be there: open orders, sales orders, and closing orders. The probability always tells how much of percent of business you have been done on that order. Okay. So and every opportunity will have a stage name. Every opportunity will have a stage name. Every opportunity will have a stage name. Stage names like either closed won or closed lost. Okay, these are the stages. These are the two stages belongs to this closing order. Okay, and there are other than these two, it always comes either it could be a sales or it could be a open order. The way how you described. Okay, so on this perspective of point in our business, for our orders, we have three types of orders will be there. So we are going to be create. Okay, and stage name is very important key role it plays in the part of record types and page layouts. Let me show you. So when I click on opportunity, clicking on new, see for opportunity there is a stage name. There are different types of stage names are there. Closed won, closed lost. When I choose a closed one, the probability is 100%. When I choose closed lost, the probability is 0. That means we lost the deal. So it's a prospect, it's a 10%. Need analysis is a 20%. Okay, 75, 70%, 90%. This is a probability. So these are the values are there available in the stage name. If you want to change the probability or if you want to change, if you want to add your own value, okay, you can also add it. So let us say, for example, go to the field called as stage, click on this stage. See, you can see these are the fields are available. These are the pick list values are available. If you want to create new, you can. So I will write like a in review. Okay, it comes under as a open and you can decide your probability. So I'm making the in review probability is nothing but it's like a 65%. Save it. See, not only the Salesforce given options, okay, I also created my own option in review. If you want to make an ordering wise, you click on reorder, you can change the order. See, I changed the order here. Now you come and refresh your opportunity. You can see that value, you just select your customized value in review, it becomes as a 65 probability. Okay, this is the way how we, yeah.
Can we give, can you give probability with same number to different stages?
Yeah, you can. Yes, yes, you can. No problem. You can. So see, you will have a same probability for different stages also. Okay, you can make it. No problem. So now, yeah. Okay, this stage will have a very important prominent role in the part of ordering, like from open orders to the closing orders. So in this case, Salesforce will always took a special criteria on such kind of a stage name that it is a required option. So when you're creating a record types and page layouts on the opportunity, you have to be work on a sales process. On lead, you worked on a lead process, right? Similarly, on opportunity, you have to be initially work on the sales process. So let's come here. See here on the opportunity, when you're creating a record type, see, you never created a sales process here, but you're trying to create a record type now. Okay, you just click on the new. So it won't allow you to create. It gives a warning for you saying that you need a sales process, where it will be on the above record type, there is a sales process. Click on that. So you can create different types of sales process. I will create sales process here. So for closed orders, so this is for closed orders. Click on save. There are so many options will be there. For closed orders, you don't require everything. Remove it. I'll show only closed one or closed loss. That's it. This is a process where I create. And let me create for open orders. For open orders, you should not be in this too. It should be in the open mode. Save. Okay. For sales orders, we don't this too. Okay. We don't need these options. Above 52, below of 90, we'll consider. Okay. Just click on open orders here. For open orders, these are not required. Remove it. Save. Right? I have created 3 processes for the 3 different record types. Now let's go and create your layouts. Click on page layouts. Already existing layouts are there given by the Salesforce. If you want to use it, you can use it. Or if you want to create, you can create your own. This time I want to use all the existing page layouts given by the Salesforce. So that's why simply I can go for a record types. See, it's your option whether to create or not. Okay. I already showed you how to create the record types and page layouts. Okay. Now I am using the standard page layouts given by the Salesforce. See how I am using. So just click on the new record type. See, now here it is asking the sales processes are required. So now let me go and create for open orders. Don't make this as a required for everyone. Only for sales admins and system administrators. Click on next. Save and move. Sales admins, System administrator. Click on next. Okay. You choose whatever the layout you want. So three record types has been created. Now you click on these opportunities. Click on new. See three record types. Click on open. Click on continue. See, it came. Now if you choose, earlier it shows many options. Now it's showing only few. Right? Now click on opportunity. Click on new. Choose closing orders. So for closing order, the stagings will be either closed won or closed lost. Got it? So we have done like that. So let me add a record type name here. There is a shortcut for you. Directly open edit layout. A new field will be enabled for you. A new field will be enabled for you when you associate a page layout with a record type. So when you are on the record, it will show you whether it's a closed order or whether it's an open order like that. This is what we are doing since from yesterday. Okay. If you understand clearly, the same class has been repeated today as well. Closing orders. It's showing. It is not showing for a sales orders here. Let's come here, click on edit layout. You can drag and drop your field. Now it will clearly tell you on which layout you are, on which record type you are. Okay. So this is the way how we deal. Okay. With the opportunity. So I have been done for leads, accounts, and opportunity. So now you came to know the business at the intro perspective of point. So people will ask you what is a sales process. So you have to clearly ask them. If they ask you the sales process, boss, can you explain about the sales process? Because I attended so many interviews. So there people ask me, can you explain about sales process? Sales process means two processes are there here. Okay, your complete CRM, like accepting of lead, conversion of lead to account, customer, opportunity, cases, that also comes under as a sales process. Okay, technically that is a business process actually. So you have to get a clarity, boss. You are asking about the complete CRM process or a business process. You have to ask them clearly, or you are asking about the a sales process where we are creating with respect to the record types. So you have to be very clear when they ask about the question. Okay. So because two naming conventions are the same. Okay. So people will get confused. Sales process means either it could be a CRM related stuff or the opportunity related stuff. You have to ask clearly, then you have to say the answer. Okay. So tomorrow is a Friday. Okay. So tomorrow I may not be available. Okay. Because of deployments. Okay. In my current company. Okay. So we are readying a package from tomorrow 11 a.m. onwards. So I cannot be available actually. So I will request Sujit or Vijay to be handled, or else I will give some assignment for you, the trailhead assignments. Make it make it or take a gap. Okay, review all these sessions and come up with a speed. But anyway, this Saturday we are planning for an Saturday and Sunday both. Okay, we are planning for a backup. Okay, because few more people came join in the middle. Okay, so we want to give a backup to them, and even it could be very helpful to you. It could be very easy to you to make and understand if you hear the second time. Okay, so I'm going to cover the backup in this weekend, so please be ready. Along with that, I'm going to explain you about the Visual Studio Code. I'm going to introduce you about the Visual Studio Code, so some other students also will be joined. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll post this video immediately. Go through this and follow the data dictionary and try to implement all the stuff in your framework, in your account. We will be reviewed. Okay, so thank you. And from 8th onwards, actually there are some offline classes are going to be conducted, so please be adjusted. From the next Monday onwards, we are going to be conduct the offline. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any doubts or any questions, post me in the WhatsApp group so others also can be know your questions. Thank you guys.